This is a 2-bed, 2-bath condo, so let's go ahead inside and check it out. All right, as we walk in, you will notice the beautiful LVP light oak flooring. It goes directly into the living and kitchen space. So as soon as you walk in as well, you have this little like office desk area with some storage. The chair and the Swiffer will not be here, of course. Does not come with the rental, but you have a little kind of like workstation if it's necessary, and maybe you work from home. So we have, it's a 2-bed, 2-bath, so 1 bed, 1 bath on either side.